how does it feel working with Chito? And what can you offer in this Espantao? First time mo ba? Hindi na, di ba?
Sino ba mga first-timers with Direk?
Direk Chito.
Ayun, si JC.
JC, ikaw muna, JC. Please. Bago yung mga girls. Sino sanay na to? Mamaya tanong natin si Lorna. Yes, JC.
Ako po, Direk Chito, he reminds me of my theater mentors. Bilang galing din po siya sa theater. And what I mean about that is, kapag sinabi ni Direk Chito na isa pa, that means kailangan mo bang galingan. Pag sinabi niya, oh, next sequence or next shot, ibig sabihin, good. So, and
Direk Chito, tingin ka naman kay JC.
so, ang ano ko doon, ang pinaka-punto ko doon is that in this, working with him or probably in this industry, no, you have to be friends with mistakes, failures, not looking good, and not feeling good. So, I think sa natutunan ko din sa theater, we kind of do the repetitions. We look for failures para we can navigate through it at hindi na so that we can avoid it. So, sa bawat sige, isa pa, ibig sabihin meron ka pang kailangan patunayan, kailangan pang galingan. So, mas gusto ko yung training na yon, and I like the discipline and I respect that with Direk Chito. And I'm glad I'm working with him. I worked with him.
Thank you. Yan is first time mo ba? Or second time? Or third time? Fourth time na?
I think it's my fourth or fifth time with Direk Chito.
Okay, how do you feel? Working again?
Sanay na kasi ako sa kanya.
Bakit ano meron
So
ba?
hindi na niya ako masyadong natatakot.
Ganon?
Oo.
Noong una?
Chinichika ko na siya.
Noong
But
una?
you know, it's always a joy
Yeah.
working with him. So, kailangan lang talaga pagkatrabaho mo siya, hindi ka sensitive. Yun lang. Kasi it's about the work. It's nothing personal. I love you. I love you.
So, siyempre, sanay ka na sa horror movies. Anong difference naman ito sa Espantao?
Matagal na ako hindi gumagawa ng horror. Kaya medyo na-excite ako dito. Difference nito is nung una hindi ko alam ang Espantao, kung ano siya, at anong ibig niya sabihin. Pero as you get to do the movie, kailangan ma-experience mo para maintindihan.
Thank you. How about you, Miss Chanda?
Yes.
Yes. First time, second time?
It's my third time. The first
Okay,
time was
yeah.
1989 for A Locked Up with the Great American
Okay,
Dream. And another one was a Viva film, 1995, if memory serves. But this is my first in
Horror.
decades and my first horror with him.
First,
Yeah.
Chito Ronyo, and now,
Na
as a
horror din.
Terror.
Na horror din hindi. Horror kasi it's the way he, okay, the way he does it is he will expect you to know what you're doing. At kung medyo ano ka, ang ano lang yan, rehearsal, pag nag-rehearse ka at ano gaganon yan, Chanda, hindi ko gusto yung attack mo. O, di palitan. Diba? So, tama yung sinabi ni JC, kung sensitive ka, hindi ka talaga, but that's the way he motivates you And you motivate yourself by not being thin-skinned. Para, okay. So, hindi ako dapat maging complacent. Dapat on your toes ka palagi ng Chito Ronyo. But it's really rewarding.
Mamaya na yun. Ito naman, si Juday na muna na-comeback after several years. Ilang years? Wala. Yes, so with
Second movie
Chito.
with Direk Chito. Parang yung first movie ko with Direk Chito,
Drama.
drama. At saka dalaga pa ako nun, Day.
Dalaga ka pa nun?
Yes! Dalaga pa ako nun. Ngayon may dalaga na ako.
Yes.
And ngayon na lang ako
Ngayon.
ulit, after a decade, na lang ako ulit nakagawa ng horror film.
So,
It's always nice to work with Direk Chito kasi, ano yun what you see is what you get. Pero pipigain ka niya. Pero yun nga, pag nakuha niya na yung gusto niya sa'yo, okay na tayo, move on na tayo. Pero pag hindi ka naman makakarinig, pero mararamdaman mo na kung saan yung parte na kailangan mong husayan, puliduhin, and all. Happy lang ako na... Naririnig mo ba? Naririnig mo ba? Happy lang ako na
Yes.
the whole time that we were doing this, parang mangilan-ngilan lang yung mga eksena na Nakami na direct yung Espantao.
Picture ba muna?